Hi everyone. I just want to say first and foremost, thank you so much for coming. Thank you for taking time out of your guys' day and schedules in your lives to be here to remember my grandfather. Um, I didn't plan this, but I want to say something. Uh, Everyone here knew my grandfather in one way or another, but one thing that we always knew was that he was always a man that you can respect and just an all-around person. My grandpa took care of me my whole life, and so he's like my father to me. My grandpa taught me many things that your father should teach you. He taught me how to fish. He taught me how to ride a bike. I really miss him. I'm always gonna miss him. He did so much for me, for my mom, my aunts, my cousins. Things that he didn't have to do, that nobody asked him to do. One thing that I'll take with me that he has always taught me is that hard work always pays off. He's always ingrained that in me when he raised me, and that it's okay to fail sometimes. You have to allow yourself to fail to get to where you really need to be. Again, thank you guys for coming here. Hope to see you at the funeral service. And God bless. Thank you.